This is a mini feed mill, as you can see in the machine house. There are 4 machines that we can use to produce, but for now we only have capacity for 3. The last one can be done using alternative means. This first guy here is called the pulverizer. It is what we grind the ingredient, the materials, into powdery form. And this is the mixer. Whatever you grounded will be mixed in here. And after this, we take the component, the mixture, take everything back here into the extruder. This is the guy that will pelletize the mixture into tiny pellets according to the size of the molds. We have them in different sizes. So it is this machine that will convert the mixture into what the fish can actually eat. So we practicalize everything. Here is the pulverizer. As you can see, this is how it works. It sucks the ingredients, as you can see. So this is the powder you get. You take this mixture with other ingredients and pour it into the mixer. From there, we extrude it. And this is how the mixture works. It rolls and mix everything in order. When that is done, we come to the big board here. This is the big boy. The extruder. It's powered on. We start the motor. From the motor, it comes to the extruder. This we start mixing.